Welcome back to the start of another weekly vlog. Sis just finished filming some content. I still need to take some pictures of this look to be up on the gram. So that's what I'm gonna do now. But I want to start off this week's vlog, you know. Sis a whole catfish, you know. Sis a whole catfish. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I don't look like this on a regular basis, but why not? Boo boo. Yes, sir. The video with this unit, like the initial videos are up, and then I think by the time this goes up, the one that I did with this will be up. Yeah, there's all the whole sis. Yes, all the food of champions, ramen. And it's all, yeah, so sis making some ramen, and then she's going to watch. If you said Christmas movie, right on the dollar. She's gonna watch another Christmas movie. All the Christmas movies just keep it in my happy place and thing, and I'm real happy about that. So yeah, Christmas movies it is. So they're waiting on that ramen to finish. All I've ate ramen and put the hot and spicy tuna in it. If you never try it and thank me later. Yeah, that is real good. So I'm gonna eat it now and pull up a Christmas movie. Not too sure which one I watch. I watched My Little Christmas Wedding yesterday. That is one with Kelly Rowland. It was really cool, you know. And then Lemon, I watched a action movie last night. Nobody. All year. If all you watch that movie yet, pull it up and watch it. The real bad is the action. Which are real bad. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish my ramen and retire for the night and watch my little Christmas movie tomorrow. Please Lord, it's another day. So yo, welcome back to the vlog. Oh, today is a rainy ass day. Like since after 5 this morning rain falling and it's still falling. It mightn't look it, but rain is falling. Since after 5 this morning it's been falling. So yeah, so that will be today. Today is a rainy day, and well, as you may or may not know, as of yesterday, well as of today, because it was midnight last night, as of today, everywhere closed. It have a stay mode in effect. Basically, technically, we are on a curfew because places are open, which are only pharmacies, hardwares, and it's pharmacies, hardwares, and somewhere else they say open. Can't remember right now, but them places is from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. groceries, 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. and then after that everywhere else closed. So technically, without saying that we're not curfew, because yeah, between 6 and 8 that's the only time we can get things, and then after that is like nowhere is open, nothing is happening. So yeah, we're back to basically how we were last year. The first time around, so yeah, everything just closed, everybody has to stay in the house and things, so yeah, these vlogs are going to be a little boring because it's going to be home in her house, but we still going to push through, okay? So what I'm going to do right now is get ready to film 2 videos. I have empties to film and I have a book review to do. Yeah, so this has been reading and oh child, just found herself a book that I think you all should go and check out. But yes, let me do that and then I'll come back to you. Well, don't mind me. I am about to film 2 videos. I think I told you that in the last clip. Right now I'm watching Candice Amarali Sparks. So just like her birthday vlog, just for my wig cap, you know, to put my wig, to film my videos and then to edit it to get it out to y'all. All as I said in like 2 previous vlogs, my upload schedule is not the same anymore. So the Friday was Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now it's like whenever I get a chance to um to film. So it would still be 3 uploads a week, or just that it wouldn't be like Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Or it was still get the vlogs on a Thursday, but like the other videos will kind of just pop up. I'm so sorry. But it honestly is just like when I get what's that? Oh, I thought it was a movie. It's honestly when I get time to film, I'll do it, edit and upload one time, right? I told you, so it's not finished filming. Them 2 videos filmed and should be up either before this one or after this one. Yeah, so now I am going to cook, maybe not. And yeah, that's it for today. And why do I do nothing much? Yeah. So I'll see you in the next clip of anything else. I told you, so I just came from the grocery. Last time you saw me, I had not finished filming, and I told you, if anything happened, I'll come back. So here I am back because I went to the grocery and I made some grocery. These are all the groceries here. A bit of paper, greens, inside of here, potato and thing, a bunch of cleaning supplies, so that's inside of here. More greens here, so banana, tomato, onion, pimento, well, seasoning, paper towels. Initially, you get my hook on your juice, so I bought a Minute Maid Portugal. This is real good. Then inside here, oil, tuna, pancake mix, Lasco. Inside here I have ramen. This is the first time I see this ramen. It was $3.50, so why not? Okay. So I got this. What's that? Foil. Inside here is a pack of fries, the frozen fries. Inside here is cornflakes, cricks, popcorn. I always wanted to try to do microwave popcorn in the oven, so that's why I still have that there. Chex Mix. What this one is? And this is some, what do you call this thing? Bleach, because I need some bleach. So I need to go and wash out all these things now and put them away. It has been a first time in a very long time because I haven't shopped True Value in a very like years. So this is the first time in a very long time that I shopped True Value for groceries because Massey was just like ridiculously full. Why? So I went True Value and I got these things and I think it was good value for money. Some of them was a little bit cheaper than Massey, so we'll see how that goes. The next place I want to go when I'm making groceries Westby's to see, how the prices pan out now, boy. But yeah, so I go and just like wash up all these things and put them where they're supposed to be, and then yeah. Hi babies and welcome back to the vlog. Oh yes, no, today's another rainy day, but not as rainy as yesterday because yesterday was like rain literally non-stop. So today I need to wash my hair because all year I do not know how these people is do it. I see YouTube videos of people had care in their hair and they leave for 3 months and 2 months. I think my hair and scalp telling me, heifer, you're doing the most. You is doing the most. It is time to figure out your life and wash me and comb me because my scalp is in a hot mess. I had to cut like literally 3 inches of hair from my nape section because it was riddled with single strand knots, and that's honestly because like when I sleep with me all the time with that, so it is just as neglected literally. So I need to wash my hair, so take out this, wash my hair, deep condition it, give it some TLC, and then cane it back up. But oh god boy, all of that takes so long. Well, it'll take long. The part that takes long is me caning my hair because I can't see the back of my head. I'm in a part, half of the part of the thing, I'm a bit crooked. I think, I don't know, it might be like, but Gabrielle, it goes into a wig. But it's like, no, I like my thing to look neat. So, yeah. But anyway, so that I hope I do that today. Cause yeah, my hair just not happening anymore. It's been 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks, ramful. We have a little bit of growth, so that's nice. But yeah, my hair's like over it completely. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. And yeah. This is cooking. So I just finished cooking the rice. I saw fish soaking. I cut up some tomato and pimento. I the pak choy here. Water boiling. To put the saltfish. So basically what I'm making is rice and pak choy with saltfish. And I'm eating some ice cream. There's the Ben & Jerry's Chunky Monkey. This tastes real good. I really like it. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. You know how it goes. So, yeah, I'll show you my little final plate when I finish. Yo, so this is my food. Yes, it's more vegetables than rice. The rice like underneath, all of that. But I just realized how pak choy with saltfish this tastes. Like, I don't know if there's like a proper name for it. But I grew up with my mother doing this. My grandmother used to do it. And now I doing it. Cause I really like how it tastes. So, yeah, that's it there. And all oh, how am I looking so wow, where's this? All you see the head ain't washed yet. If all you know what the time is. Anyways, so that's the end of this week's vlog, y'all. Thank you so much for being here and tuning in to your girl. Hi to all of my new subscribers. I see you guys. We are steadily growing. Thank you so much. And if you are watching this video and are quite sure it ain't your first video and you're not subscribed, wait a minute, click that cute little subscribe button underneath there and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one.